Hey, let's dive right into a massive, high-paying contract role for fitters down in Mulgrave.
So, ready to ditch those messy sites for a super clean, friendly food production gig?
Get this. For this casual role, we're talking a massive 58 to 60 bucks an hour.
Plus, huge lifestyle perks, stable early hours Monday through Thursday, and a sweet early Friday finish.
Okay, let's talk factory floor reality. What's the daily grind actually like in this highly regulated setup?
You'll be hands-on with special-purpose machinery. Think pneumatics, conveyors, motors, and importantly, form, fill, and seal units.
Expect rapid-fire troubleshooting, clearing cot wrappers, fixing proxy sensors, and deciphering annoying fault codes. Since it's a pristine food environment, you absolutely must stick to mandatory gowning and daily hygiene standards.
Also, if you've got any experience working with positive pressure rooms, that is a massive advantage here.
Now, the non-negotiable part. You absolutely must be a Certificate 3 qualified fitter and turner for manufacturing.
We need someone with serious initiative who's self-motivated enough to really thrive in a close-knit team.
Ready to jump in? Grab your phone and call Peter Horsfall directly at 901-88970. So, ultimate question time. Are you the rapid problem solver this production line actually needs?